Motorcycles for beginners, advice for beginners on choosing and learning to ride. Hi friends! Today's video will be especially useful for those who are just starting their journey in the world of motorcycles. We will look at the most important aspects of choosing a first motorcycle and learning to ride safely. So, if you are new to this exciting hobby, this is the video for you. Understanding your needs and capabilities. Before choosing a motorcycle, it is important to clearly understand your needs and abilities. Different motorcycles have different characteristics, and what works for one may not be the best choice for another. Start with the question, what do I want a motorcycle for? Choosing the right type of motorcycle. There are many types of motorcycles on the market: sports, cruisers, enduro, motocross, and many others. For beginners, it is recommended to choose light and easy-to-maneuver models that will allow you to learn riding skills easily. Consideration of physical capabilities. It is important to choose a motorcycle that suits your height and physical capabilities. Do not choose a motorcycle that is too heavy or too powerful if you are just starting to learn to ride. Appeal to professional instructors. Learning from professionals will help you master safe driving techniques and gain confidence on the road. Motorcyclist training courses provide the necessary knowledge and practical experience to help you become a skilled motorcyclist. Wearing protective equipment. Always wear protective gear, including a helmet, motorcycle jacket, pants, gloves, and shoes. This will help protect you from injury in the event of an accident. Constant practice and self-improvement. There is nothing more important than constant practice and self-improvement. Practice driving, learn traffic rules, and develop your motorcycle riding skills. The importance of safety and caution. Always follow the rules of the road and keep yourself and other road users safe. Carefully watch the road and always be prepared for unforeseen situations. Therefore, when choosing your first motorcycle and learning to ride, it is important to consider these tips and take into account your own safety and comfort. We wish you pleasant and safe trips on a motorcycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave comments.